So it's the time of COVID and we're all sitting at our desk a lot doing Zoom meetings, etc., right? So my cousin ordered this chair from Amazon, but as usual, it comes with what? Only pictures. Now, granted, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a few words would be very helpful when you get a box just full of parts. It's okay though, I am recording this so that you don't have to guess what the picture means. So the first step was putting the wheels into the base. All the parts are labeled with letters in the picture, so that helps, even though the parts themselves don't have like a sticker with a letter on it, which doesn't really help. However, here we are. Base assembled, the one bar thing in the middle, which was like, what, part B or something, C? I don't know. And the 5 wheels are attached to the base. On to the next part. We're attaching the armrest to the back of the chair. Yeah, looking at the picture, I really had to stare at it for a long time to see what they were talking about. Now, this was the best part. All of the screws came in labeled little packets, like you see, like separate parts for each screw. That I liked because I didn't have to guess where they went. It also comes with its own little Allen wrench. So once you match the right screw to the right hole, then you, use the Allen wrench to tighten it up. There we go. The back of the chair is attached to the armrest. Yay! So now, according to the picture, we're flipping over that back we just assembled and attaching it to the seat with the correctly labeled screws. Okay, now time to attach the hydraulic part to the bottom of the seat. Once again, this part not so hard, matching the correct holes to the correct screws. Done and done. This last little piece is to make it pretty, covering up the screw holes, making it look smooth. So basically now the chair is assembled, you just have to put the top part on top of the bottom part as shown in the picture. Done and done. Ain't she a beaut? Okay, so total assembly time, like 25 minutes, maybe 30, but it would have been a lot faster once again if they had graced us with a few more words. But now you have it. Hope it helps. Talk to you later.